Welcome back. Now news from sports. Duler Stadium is now all set for top football matches after the Mapusa venue staged a Pro League match on Sunday. The match between Churchill brothers and Salgaocar Football Club came after a long gap in footballing activities at Duler due to work of laying artificial turf. With work on Tilak Stadium in Vasco still not complete, the I-League matches may be shifted to Duler Stadium next month.
Finally, Duler Stadium staged a football match after a 9-month stoppage due to work on artificial turf. Churchill brothers took on Salgaocar Football Club in GFA Pro League on Sunday. Salgaocar won the match 2-0, but most importantly, the match witnessed a large number of spectators who were hungry for a regular dose of football here. Now that the work of putting artificial turf is done and dusted, the Bardescas can get regular football.
Beautiful. The grass is I think is the new generation, the artificial ground. Now it's better every team train more time because normally the team play in the grass, train grass. But I think give the team maybe 1 month for improve after every team. But this installation is very good.
Organization is good, ground is good, everything is good. But I think this stuff has to require more time to settle. If it is done, it will be a perfect one. Because now see this small particle, they are all about 6 players are here, so many, and they got scratches because it has to settle. No, it is newly laid. So if it is there, I think another 2 weeks it will be perfect ground. Everything is good here, environment, crowd, everything is good.
Ground Poila, Sikkim, Lajong, Calcutta also, this is a better ground. This grass is good. Quality of grass is good.
Actually, this is the first of its kind in Goa. This ground, and we are very happy with the AFF and FIFA. Also grateful to FIFA.
Today was the first professional match played on this very own GFA ground and on this very turf that was sponsored to us by FIFA, and I am pleased that the teams were happy to play on this turf and they like the turf, but only it has to settle down since it's a new turf. The granules have been creating a little bit of problem to the players. But on the whole, a beautiful turf. Next week, we are having the I-Leagues played on this very ground. So proud moment for GFA.
A reporter from Mapusa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar has said that he will carry out a review of all grounds in Goa in January. Prudent had recently put the spotlight on badly maintained grounds in Vasco at Chikli and New Wade. Tavadkar stressed that the grounds in Vasco will also be looked at.
Prudent put this ground in New Wade under spotlight earlier this month. The residents of this locality are facing dust pollution. Naturally, when somebody plays on this muddy ground, a lot of dust is generated. This dust is harmful for the players as well as those residing in the buildings surrounding the ground. Sports Minister Tavadkar was informed by the locals that they have to suffer a lot due to badly maintained grounds. And this was Tavadkar's reply.
बाकीच्या अन्य गजाली संदर्भात विचार करत असताना संबंध गोयचे संदर्भात विचार करताले. आता पहिली फेज आमची लुसोब्याने ती कंप्लीट झाली असा की त्यामुळे आता ताबडतोब असा संबंध गोयचे जे वेगवेगळे कडेन ग्राउंड असतात ताजी आम्ही बारकाईने लक्ष घालून बाबा कितें रिक्वायरमेंट्स आसा ते पळयता आनी तातूंत म्हाका आमचे स्थानीक आमदार किंवा राजन भाई ताणेंच ते सांगताले की वास्कोच्या ग्राउंडा संदर्भात स्थिती बरोबर ना. तांकां हांवें सांगलें की सादारणसो जानेवारीच्या सेकंड विकाक बी येवन आमी पळोवया आनी कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आसा ती चॅक करून जी गोष्ट ताबडतोब करपाक जाय ती करुया अशे तरेचे आदेश आमी दितले. त्यामुळे कोणेच चिंता करपाची गरज ना.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.